Each Aeroprakt A22 is built to order and offers many different options. This video is designed to help you decide which options are right for you. The A22 has two control options: center stick or yoke configuration. The yoke configuration has a center console throttle, while the stick model has independent throttles on both sides. An optional cutout allows for extra room for tall pilots. The A22 has three engine options: Rotax UL, ULS, and IS. The IS offers a completely redundant electronic multi-port fuel injection system, providing up to a 30% increase in fuel economy and lower maintenance costs. The IS automatically controls the fuel mixture while also eliminating the possibility of carb ice. The recommended propeller options are Kiev, E-prop, and Duke. There are three tire options: 15 6x6 with optional wheel pants, 606, and 8x6. Mudguards are available for all three sizes. Each Aeroprakt instrument panel is custom designed to the customer's specifications. Mechanical instruments are an option, but the glass panel systems are far more popular. Both the Garmin G3X touch system and the Dynon Skyview HDX touch system are available in the A22. Either system includes a 10.6-inch touchscreen, autopilot, radio, ADSB transponder, and more. The Dynon AVSP panel is an option that allows easier access to the autopilot, and the SV knob panel puts the altitude bug, heading bug, and altimeter setting at your fingertips. With the Garmin G3X system, the autopilot control panel is included. The U-Avionics AV30 is also a popular addition for redundancy, offering full flight data in a compact size. The A22 has an optional headliner and warmth-keeping partition for cold climates. USB charge ports are available in various locations. It's recommended to have cowl landing lights and wingtip nav strobe lights. Wing landing lights with the wigwag function greatly improve visibility for night flying or high-traffic areas. Key locks are recommended to secure the aircraft. Defrost fans help clear the windshield as well as circulate heat in the cabin. The slider windows are great for unobstructed photography, but are not recommended unless photography is a primary use. A roomy baggage compartment with exterior doors allows for convenient traveling. The A22 can be painted in almost any RAL color, and automotive metallic colors may be available for an additional cost. A Magnum parachute is an optional rocket-propelled ballistic parachute for emergency use when an airplane is uncontrollable due to a major failure. It can deploy from as low as 100 feet. Pre-rigging the airframe for a parachute makes installation at a later date simple and easy. The Aeroprakt A22, customized to your specifications. Contact Heavenbound Aviation or one of our dealers for more information or a demo flight.